Welcome to Autos Vehicles, the channel where performance meets passion and every machine tells a story. Today's spotlight is on a motorcycle that blends raw off-road DNA with modern adventure capability, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L in striking red. This model represents Honda's continued evolution of dual sport engineering, designed for riders who want serious trail performance without sacrificing long-distance comfort or reliability. Honda CRF legacy and the 750L evolution. Honda's CRF lineup has long been associated with durability, race-bred technology, and unmatched reliability. From motocross dominance to trail-ready dual-sport machines, CRF models have always delivered confidence across unpredictable terrain. The CRF 750L builds upon this legacy, positioned perfectly between lightweight enduro bikes and heavyweight adventure motorcycles. For 2026, Honda refines this balance further, creating a machine that feels equally at home on mountain trails, desert tracks, and open highways. Bold red design and visual identity. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L red colorway immediately communicates aggression and purpose. Honda's signature red bodywork is paired with sharp lines, compact proportions, and functional aerodynamics. The tall stance, narrow waist, and sculpted fuel tank give the bike a commanding presence while maintaining rider mobility. Every panel is designed with utility in mind, offering protection without unnecessary bulk. The red finish reinforces the bike's racing heritage while standing out clearly in both urban and off-road environments. Engine performance and power delivery. At the heart of the CRF 750L lies a parallel twin engine engineered for smooth yet forceful power delivery. This power plant is tuned to provide strong low-end torque for technical off-road riding while maintaining stable mid-range performance. For highway cruising, the throttle response is refined, predictable and responsive, allowing riders to confidently navigate loose surfaces, steep climbs, and long straight stretches. The engine's reliability and efficiency make it ideal for both adventure touring and daily riding. Transmission and ride control. The 6-speed gearbox on the 2026 CRF 750L is designed for versatility. Lower gears offer precise control for slow technical sections, while higher gears ensure relaxed cruising at speed. Honda's refined clutch action reduces fatigue during long rides and challenging terrain. The gear ratios are carefully chosen to balance acceleration, control, and fuel efficiency, giving riders confidence whether they are riding solo or carrying additional gear. Advanced suspension system. Suspension is one of the CRF 750L's strongest features. The bike is equipped with long-travel front forks and a rear monoshock, tuned for a wide range of riding conditions. This setup absorbs rocks, roots, and uneven surfaces with ease while remaining composed on paved roads. The suspension geometry ensures stability at speed and agility in tight trails, allowing riders to maintain control even when conditions change suddenly. Chassis and frame engineering. The lightweight yet rigid steel frame of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is engineered to handle both high-impact, off-road riding and extended touring. The frame design enhances balance and centralizes mass, improving overall handling. This results in a motorcycle that feels planted when loaded and agile when riding aggressively. Honda's engineering ensures durability without unnecessary weight, a crucial factor for adventure-focused riders. Braking system and safety. Braking performance on the CRF 750L is designed to inspire confidence in all conditions. Large disc brakes at the front and rear provide strong and consistent stopping power. Advanced braking control allows riders to manage traction on loose surfaces while maintaining safety on asphalt. The braking system complements the bike's off-road focus while ensuring predictable performance in traffic and emergency situations. Wheel setup and tire capability. The CRF 750L features a 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, a classic off-road configuration that enhances stability and obstacle clearance. This setup allows riders to tackle rough terrain with confidence while maintaining road usability. The tire selection supports both dirt and pavement riding, offering grip, durability, and adaptability across multiple surfaces. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Honda has carefully designed the riding ergonomics of the CRF 750L to suit long journeys and technical riding alike. The upright seating position reduces fatigue, while the wide handlebars provide excellent control. The seat height accommodates off-road performance without compromising comfort, allowing riders to shift weight easily when navigating trails. Foot peg positioning and tank design enhance rider control during standing rides. Technology and instrumentation. The digital instrument cluster on the 2026 Honda CRF 750L provides clear and essential information at a glance. Riders can easily monitor speed, engine data, trip information, and fuel levels. The display is designed for readability in bright, sunlight, and challenging environments. Honda integrates modern electronics subtly, ensuring technology enhances the ride without overwhelming the rider. Fuel efficiency and range. Despite its powerful engine, the CRF 750L maintains impressive fuel efficiency, making it suitable for long-distance adventure riding. The fuel tank capacity is optimized to provide a strong riding range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. This balance between power and efficiency allows riders to explore remote locations with greater confidence, off-road capability, and trail performance. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L truly shines when taken off the beaten path. Its balanced chassis, responsive throttle, and capable suspension allow it to handle mud, sand, gravel, and rocky terrain with ease. The bike's predictable handling and manageable weight make it accessible for intermediate riders while still offering performance that experienced riders can appreciate, on-road behavior, and touring ability. While designed for adventure, the CRF 750L performs confidently on paved roads. The engine remains smooth at cruising speeds, and the suspension adapts well to asphalt. Wind stability, seating comfort, and overall balance make it suitable for longer highway rides. This dual nature is what sets the CRF 750L apart from more specialized motorcycles. Reliability and build quality. Honda's reputation for reliability is fully reflected in the 2026 CRF 750L. High-quality materials, precise assembly, and proven engineering ensure the bike can withstand harsh conditions and extended use. This reliability makes it a trusted companion for riders who value dependability as much as performance. Ideal riders and use cases. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red is ideal for riders seeking a true all-round adventure motorcycle. It suits those who want to explore trails, commute daily, and embark on long-distance journeys without switching bikes. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast, a weekend explorer, or a rider upgrading from smaller dual sports, the CRF 750L delivers versatility and confidence. Final thoughts. Honda CRF 750L 2026. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red stands as a powerful statement of Honda's commitment to adventure riding. It combines proven reliability, refined performance, and bold design into a motorcycle that adapts to every journey. With its balanced engine, capable suspension, and rider-focused ergonomics, the CRF 750L is not just a bike, it is a gateway to exploration, freedom, and unforgettable riding experiences.